Talk.
At the park, we went the bubbles. So me and there was a boy was there. The dad read, but he come back and they said, but they can. The mom said they can read, but the kids said no. But we had a fun time and we won, and that little kid was fast, faster than us. And you know how old is he? He's 2.
2?
Yeah.
Go away.
And you helped him?
Oh, I shared the bubbles. I shared the bubbles with him and
Sit down by Jack.
He was so good to this little boy.
and that's it.
Sophie, say something to Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Did you have fun at the park?
Yeah, I had fun at the park.
What'd you do?
I played bubbles.
Yeah.
I went around. Hey, I can have one twist. And there you go. You can make your own.
No, you
Why?
can't make your own.
No, I can't. Hey, he said there's one too for you.
All right, say bye to Daddy.
Bye, Daddy. I'm gonna tell you that.
Say bye to Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.